Hi student. Today's topic is GSM frame structure. In GSM frame structure, basic is time slot. The time slot consists of 156.25 bits with 576.92 microsecond. 156.25 bits are divided as follows. Here, first three and last 3 bits before the guard period, last three bits are used for the tail bits. Tail bits is used for the synchronization of the frame. Means a first 3 bit gives the information of the starting of the time slot, whereas last 3 tail bit gives the information about the ending of the time slot. After that, there is a 57 coded data. There are two 57 coded data, this and this. This is used for the coding the information of the subscriber in 57 bit as well as plus 57 bits. After that, there is a 1 bit stalling flag. There are two stalling flag, this one and this one. This is used for give the information about the frame is for traffic or control channel. After that, there is a 26 bit midemble. Only one 26 bit midemble is used, which is used in the channel, used in channel estimation, synchronization, maintaining, and all the related information about the base station. Means is used all the related information about the base station as well as all the synchronization point related to the time slot. Then last there is a guard period. 8.25 bits are used for the guard period. Guard period is used to ensure that two time slots do not interface with each other, otherwise they can overlap, and this cannot be happen. We introduces the guard period. Then this is a one time slot having 156.25 bits. Such a 8 time slot. 8 time slot forms frame 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8. So 8 time slot from the frame having 4.615 millisecond. This is a one frame. Such a 26 frames form one multi frames having 120 millisecond, and total 51 millisecond form a super frame, that is 6.12 second. This is a large super frame is used in the GSM frame structure to transmit the information from one base station to another base station in GSM architecture. Thank you.